guys, welcome back to Blush and Bling. This is me Nayan and hope you guys are doing great. I am in Puri right now and we are at a fantastic trip. This is the first destination, which is Puri, and we are near the very famous Jagannath temple. So I'm gonna go inside. I don't think camera is allowed, but let's see. So if you're new to here, please do subscribe to the channel because a lot of travel videos are coming along, and yeah, watch the full video please. So our Jagannath temple darshan, everything is over, and now we are at Konark. We had this beautiful view wala journey. So the best time to visit Puri is definitely winters because it's such a humid place and it's so hot right now. We are here roaming in March. So I would suggest to visit either in early morning hours or during winter season. The Jagannath Puri temple darshan was really good. We had the bhog over there and it was around 1100 for 10 people. So you can do the math. This is the beautiful Konark. This is the entrance that we are walking. And we have a lot of shops over here selling these beautiful bags and decorative items and all those things. So yeah, we are heading towards Konark and the timing is 9 to 5. So we are almost at around 5 PM now. So we are trying to enter the premises as soon as possible. Okay, my friends were just clicking picture of mine, so was just posing. Sorry for that shot. So we are totally exhausted after just 2 destinations because we were sweating like hell.
Because of her only, we are very exhausted,
very.
and we have to wait more because she is doing Lush and Blinka videos.
And you will watch those videos on my Instagram.
You should watch these videos online. She's awesome.
Thank you. So we were planning for Chandrabhaga, but let's see, since it's already dark.
Chandrabhaga hai.
Very, very bad. So let's see if we are able to go to Chandrabhaga today or not. Otherwise, tomorrow beach ka plan is pakka. So Golden Beach is known as the busiest beach. It's the most famous one, and that's why we are here to see the shops, and they also wanted to have some seafood. So yeah, let's go and have some really nice food.
100 pomfret. One.
For me also one.
So finally we have reached Chilika, and since morning we started very early today because we have learnt our lesson. We ate our breakfast and we have reached Chilika now, and we have 4 activities to do today. The 4 activities are like seeing the dolphins, and then going to the Red Crab Beach, and we can have all the seafood over there, and there are so many activities that are awaiting for us. So we'll be going to that today. And also for one boat we'll be paying 4,200 for the whole all the 4 things. For our ferry ride, here boat rides, ferry rides are very famous, and when you come to Chilika you have to take such ferry rides. And this uncle is giving hats for rent, so if you forgot your cap you can get your hats for rent. Only 10 rupees, and that too paisa you have to give later. Such a cool funda. So this vlog ends right over here. I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.